Hello everyone, enjoy learning and good day to you all. So I am here again with this a new title, that is 5 minute DFT, and this is that introduction of that. So it is not possible to cover that DFT based lectures on within 5 minutes, but I am trying to do my best. I am Dr. Mohan L. Verma from Computational Nanoionic Research Lab, and you are familiar with me because this particular lecture is in form of playlist is uploaded in my channel, and through which you are learning Siesta so far. So thank you for your love, your affection to that channel, and still it's doing good to help beginners especially, and I am getting positive feedback from all the users and also getting good emails with different errors, and they're curious. First of all, why this short clips are being generated by me in this and uploaded in this channel? Because I feel, although I tried to develop that videos and lectures when for the 20 to 30 minutes, but still I find that the people are not watching that one, because that 20 and 25 minutes time, it's much more to use by that users. So I feel I should give some good context and save their times within that 5 minutes. And also I'm getting good suggestions from many users that please make that 5 minutes clips, or that try to cover some topics within that 5 minutes and upload that channel, and that will be interactive for that channel. So that's why I am using that. So what I am going to cover in this particular short clips, or this short videos, DFT, entitled DFT within 5 minutes. So I will cover that different tools and some techniques, utilities. So that tools will be that pre-processing tools, also some post-processing tools, and definitely that the main tool, that is Siesta. This is that main tool of this included in channel. So far I am using this version, that Siesta 4.1.5 up to this, and one course is running smoothly in this version. And but very soon I am trying to move that newest version, that is I will move, that is Siesta 5.2.0, although this is a very the Python based utility, that is Python based tool. So some clips I will add for that Python, and we will install this newest version and start working on this. Obviously that will be advanced version of that Siesta, but that initial video, although I have started from that Siesta 3.2 and that earlier one 3.1 3.2, but now I am in this stage 4.1.5, and it's pre and post processing utilities we are learning. So this channel will devote it to this pre post processing tools, and also this Siesta, and there your based on your queries and your questions. So how we will proceed? So I'm starting this particular playlist, including this particular playlist in my channel, and how this will run. So I will add some small clips, and you will try to do perform on that clips, and use that to learn that one. And if you are getting some error, and then post that error, and send me either as a comment on that particular lecture, or also you can mail me that my email ID. I think you should know about my email ID. So either you can mail me at drmohanlv@gmail.com, or also you can, don't call me, you can WhatsApp me at that 9303452648. So this is my contact number, and you can WhatsApp me about your queries, and then I will make one small clip for your solution also, and I will try to solve within that comment box as well as your WhatsApp queries. But if I find that it is a general questions asked by so many users, then I can create that small clips or a small video for that particular question also. So that's why I will this is that way I will proceed this. So let's enjoy learning Siesta. It's about pre and post processing tools, and explore the insight of the materials of different dimension. So let's begin. Thank you all.